So I wanted to show some results here for a recent campaign we decided to take on. This month, we decided to help one or two businesses at no charge to get their business up off the ground through lead generation. So we took on this challenge with this personal trainer who happens to live in the Bronx in New York. And so we started this campaign, and you can see on the left, I did a lot of campaigns. However, I typically don't like to do that many, but for this, we had so many different videos and creatives and things that I wanted to try. I just went down this rabbit hole and I just didn't come back out. So this is me only testing one idea. So when I tell you not to be lazy on your campaigns and your testing, this is what I mean. Sometimes it takes to do things like this before you can find some success. And you'll see on the right here that we have a few leads that came in, and I'm only testing these at $10 a day. That's it. And there are a few different offers that I have in my mind that I want to try, and this is only one. So I want to do two more to see how it works out. I'm going to take you over here to the Google Sheet so you can see some of the information that I did ask for, which is how much weight do you want to lose, how often, ofter do you exercise, biggest challenges. And so I tried to make it a little bit fun when I did ask the question, does walking to the bathroom count? Because I want the customers, I want the leads, I want the prospects to have a little bit of a better experience, just like rather than have some serious question by question thing. And then it helps the personal trainer when they get on the phone to build a little rapport. Okay, so it looks like you're trying to lose 30 pounds or more, and you wanted to know if walking to the bathroom count, and you hate working out. That's perfectly fine and normal for a lot of people. However, I'm going to help you to overcome these challenges today if you're ready. It's something as simple as that. So the cool thing about this is that not only did we have 4 leads. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 now. So let's take a look. I'm going to refresh this. It still hasn't calculated. I hate when Facebook does that. But it looks like we got 5 leads, and we have 2 booked appointments on the calendar. Now, I don't know how to use this software enough to actually go to this link, but I am going to show you a picture. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so here it is. I downloaded this from my Facebook story because I was bragging just a little bit, not humbly, just straight up bragging. So this, we had 4 leads at the time, 4 leads and 2 booked appointments, as you can see right here. And I wonder if I refresh this, will that 5th lead start to show? Not yet. Okay, so at any rate, we are having a really good time on this. What I can tell you as far as targeting and offers are concerned is, don't make it that difficult. If you're gonna get leads for a personal trainer or for a gym, there are so many different angles that you can take. It should be one of the most fun campaigns that you create because it's really not that difficult. It is tedious. There is a lot to keep track of, but it's not all the way that difficult. All you have to do is find 1 or 2 problems, or maybe you can make a list of the top 5 problems that you solve as a personal trainer, make ads around that, get pictures around that, make sure your ad copy and your lead form are centered around it, and it should be a walk in the park. Well, not necessarily that much of a walk in the park if you don't have that much experience, but it should be easier if you create your plan before you execute it. So that's it. I hope you all are doing all right, and I'll talk to you later.